Good girl.
Come on, baby.
Come on, eat. Come on. Hey, hey, hey.
Come on, don't fake it.
Come on, get up before the ants climb all over you.
Before Lily takes off again. All right, hop in.
Get out.
Just let her drive for a second.
Teacher, you teacher. No, yeah.
What are you going to do when you have a little brother or sister?
Yeah, what are you going to do when you have a little brother or sister? You got to
Turn it towards me. Good job. Come on, you can do it. Good, Lily. You're doing it, Mama. Okay, turn it this way. Turn it this way. Good. Go, girl. Go, girl. You doing it, little mama. Let's go. Now turn it back this way. This way. Unless you're trying to drive it in the trees. Turn it this way. Yes. No, this way.